Are you feeling tired, restless, or dealing with muscle cramps more often than usual? Could it be that a simple mineral deficiency is causing all these symptoms? Today, we're diving deep into the world of magnesium, a mineral that might just be the missing link to better health. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common, and the signs are often easy to miss or misinterpret. So let's look at the top 10 signs that you might have a magnesium deficiency. 1. Muscle cramps and spasms. Let's start with one of the most recognizable signs: muscle cramps and spasms. Have you ever experienced sudden cramps in your legs, feet, or even hands, especially at night? Magnesium is crucial for muscle function. It helps our muscles relax after contracting. When your magnesium levels are low, it can lead to hyperexcitable muscle tissue, causing involuntary twitches and painful cramps. If you're experiencing muscle cramps frequently, it could be one of the first signs your body needs more magnesium. 2. Fatigue and weakness. Do you often feel tired even after a good night's sleep? Magnesium plays a big role in energy production. When your levels are low, your body struggles to produce enough energy, leading to fatigue and muscle weakness. In fact, ATP, the main energy currency of our cells, requires magnesium to activate. So, if you're feeling constantly drained, your magnesium levels might need a boost. Fatigue is a symptom of many health issues, but if it's paired with other signs on this list, magnesium deficiency is worth considering. 3. Sleep problems. Are you struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night? Magnesium plays an essential role in maintaining healthy levels of neurotransmitters that calm the brain, such as GABA. This calming effect makes magnesium especially important for those dealing with insomnia or other sleep issues. If you're having trouble with your sleep routine, low magnesium could be a contributing factor. Some studies have shown that magnesium supplements can help improve sleep quality, especially in people who already have low levels. 4. Mental health concerns. Anxiety and depression. Feeling more anxious or down lately? Believe it or not, magnesium plays a huge role in mental well-being. Research shows that low levels of magnesium can lead to anxiety and depressive symptoms. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, supporting a balanced mood. Without enough magnesium, we're more likely to feel on edge, irritable, or even experience full-blown anxiety attacks. Some people report an improvement in mood when they increase their magnesium intake, so this could be a game changer if you're dealing with stress or anxiety. 5. High blood pressure. Have you been dealing with high blood pressure? Magnesium is vital for heart health and plays a role in regulating blood pressure. It helps relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Low magnesium levels can lead to constricted blood vessels and higher blood pressure. Research suggests that people with low magnesium are more likely to have high blood pressure, and increasing magnesium intake may help bring it back to healthier levels. So if you've noticed your blood pressure creeping up, it might be a good idea to check your magnesium intake. 6. Irregular heartbeat or palpitations. Have you ever felt your heart flutter or skip a beat? Heart palpitations or irregular heartbeats can be unsettling, and they're sometimes linked to magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps regulate the movement of calcium and potassium in and out of heart cells, which is essential for a steady heartbeat. Without enough magnesium, your heart's rhythm can get thrown off, leading to irregular beats or even more serious complications over time. If you're dealing with palpitations, it's worth asking your healthcare provider to check your magnesium levels. 7. Migraines and headaches. Do you often suffer from migraines or tension headaches? Magnesium deficiency has been linked to increased frequency and severity of migraines. This mineral helps relax blood vessels in the brain, which can prevent the kind of vascular changes associated with headaches. Some studies suggest that people who get migraines frequently often have lower levels of magnesium in their bloodstream. For some people, taking a magnesium supplement can actually reduce the frequency of migraines, making it worth exploring if you're looking for natural remedies. 8. Constipation. Are you struggling with digestion or experiencing constipation? Magnesium has a relaxing effect on the muscles, including those in the digestive tract, helping food pass more easily. It also draws water into the intestines, which can soften stools and promote regular bowel movements. Low magnesium can lead to slow digestion, causing constipation and other gut issues. If you're not as regular as you'd like to be, low magnesium could be a potential culprit. 9. Bone health issues. Think calcium is the only mineral you need for strong bones? Think again. While calcium is essential, magnesium is equally important for bone health. This mineral plays a role in converting vitamin D into its active form, which is needed for calcium absorption. Without enough magnesium, our bones may become weaker over time. Studies have shown that people with higher magnesium intake have better bone density. So if you're concerned about osteoporosis or bone health in general, check your magnesium intake along with calcium. 10. Numbness and tingling. Have you ever experienced a strange tingling sensation or numbness, especially in your extremities? Magnesium is critical for nerve health, and low levels can affect nerve function, leading to tingling, numbness, or even a pins and needles feeling. These symptoms are common in hands, feet, and even around the face. If you've been feeling these sensations more often, it's worth looking at your magnesium intake and talking to a healthcare provider. Final note on magnesium deficiency. Now that we've gone through these 10 signs, you might be wondering why magnesium deficiency is so common. Many modern diets lack magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Additionally, factors like stress, alcohol consumption, certain medications, and even caffeine can deplete magnesium levels. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts like almonds and cashews, seeds, whole grains, and certain fish like mackerel and salmon. If you're struggling to get enough magnesium from food alone, you may want to consider a supplement. However, always check with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure it's safe and the right option for you. If you recognized any of these signs in yourself, it might be time to pay closer attention to your magnesium levels. This simple change could have a powerful impact on your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health insights. Take care, and see you in the next video.